Crypto is ready for the next big wave, and we've seen AI coins, we've seen variations of other meme coins, but what about a brand new meme coin that uses AI as its utility and is building out an AI ecosystem? None of this is financial advice, but purely educational only. But today we're going to be talking about the Dawgz coin, because this coin is something that is the backbone of an AI infrastructural ecosystem. I do think there is potential there. So this is Dawgz AI, and as you can see, fantastic art, a brand new refreshing dog for our meme coin portfolio. And we can see that yes, they have already raised $2.7 million in this pre-sale so far. So yes, already too big to fail, and that is what we want to see here with any new pre-sales that we look at. Now, if we're looking at this is the audit they just completed. As you can see, 0 issues, passed with flying colors. That is really a massive criteria tick box when it comes to investing in a pre-sale. When it comes to the AI and the utility, this is basically going to be an AI agent that helps you be informed on crypto and the up and coming coins. And essentially, yeah, it's just going to be your assistant here that can really stay up to date with the markets and keep you updated in real time about what's happening and what the direction is for most of these coins. Now, we can see here that yes, the art is fantastic, but why Dawgz AI rather than other meme coins here? Well, one, the narrative here is fantastic. They're basically just going with this Dawgz narrative, and you obviously know where this comes from. It's like you've got that dog in you, that kind of thing, right? But we can see here advanced technology with the high frequency trading algorithms they're going to be using here. They've got accessible investments, which basically, yes, Dawgz AI was created so people could have fun while investing in cryptocurrencies without reducing potential profitability. And that is something that's massive. So you can maximize your profit and you can minimize your losses. That's something that's good. And then we've got a fat community already going with this thing, which is great. And when it comes to actually buying this thing, super easy to do. All you got to do, just connect your wallet here and then pick what you want to buy with, whether you want to buy with BNB, Solana, USDC, or Ethereum. You could do so very easily on this widget. And just like any other pre-sale, type in how much you want. You're going to see how much you're going to get there. And then from that point, yes, just press buy. You are good to go. What I will say though with this is, yes, if you are going to buy, you should 100% stake this, because the APY right now is 284, which is huge. And you can just imagine over time, yes, this will go down. But if you get in earlier, you can take advantage of those staking rewards very, very easily. Now, as I've said, yes, they have an audit. Yes, they've got a good utility here, and they've already raised 2.7 million. So they are massively already too big to fail. If I'm going to prediction on this, on how high I think this will get before they launch, I would say probably between 10 and 30 million, just based on their trajectory so far. They only just started this pre-sale. They've already raised a lot. This is a massive trend in crypto right now. These AI agents do go hard. So what I will say is, yes, definitely get involved with this, because the earlier you get involved, then obviously the more you will make because of those price hikes in the pre-sales every few days. As you can see here, the next price will be 0.004 cents. The current price is 0.0034. So we're talking about big increases as time goes on. One thing I do like about their website here, guys, is this profit calculator. So if we put in $100 and this coin got to a $1 price here, as we can see, we would make $56,000. Now, if we put in $1,000, we would make 564K. Ridiculous money here. Ridiculous money. But if you want more appropriate targets, this is great for that too. If we put in $1,000, we were looking for, say, I don't know, maybe a 10x. I mean, yeah, this thing would be great to calculate that and just take a look at it, right? So good stuff there. That is the Dawgz token. Definitely check it out in the description. We are going to check out their socials as well here, just real quick. We can see 7,000 followers. All right, really nice engagement here as well. So definitely one you should be keeping an eye on. I do like this meme. I think the narrative's good. I think the utility is good, and they've already raised a lot, so they've got momentum on their side. So that is the Dawgz AI token. Definitely check it out in the description. Get involved with the pre-sale. Get that staked as well, and then you are good to go from that point. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic day.